Welcome to Brentville International Community. I will take you to a tour inside this high-end residential enclave located here in Barangay Mamplasan Biñan Laguna. Brentville is not far from Metro Manila. It's just 10 minutes away from SLEX Exit in Alabang. If you're coming from Makati, you're just spend around 25 minutes coming here, and if you are coming from BGC, it's just a 45-minute drive coming here. Brentville is divided into 8 different clusters. The Village Front. This is Village Front. This is a commercial hub where you will find lifestyle, retail and food concepts. This is the main gate of Brentville International Community. This gate is the entrance of 6 residential clusters. You will absolutely feel safe and secure because there are various levels of security. We have the main gate, and then each cluster has its own gated and guarded entrance, and inside each cluster is a roving security that ensures that everything is kept in order and it's safe. West Park. If you are a big family or an investor looking for big budget cuts, then this is one of the clusters that you can consider. Other clusters with lot sizes ranging from 350 to 1300 square meters. The Meridian, Sunshine Place, and Woodmore Spring. Prominence 2. Aside from big lot cuts, you also have the option to own a townhouse or a single detached home here at Prominence 2 cluster. What's special about Prominence 2 is that all the houses here are under the Condominium Certificate of Title or CCT, which is very good for foreigners who want to own the property here in the Philippines other than buying just the usual high-rise or mid-rise condominiums. Another special thing about Prominence 2 is it is accredited by the Philippine Retirement Authority, so it's also perfect for retirees. The Arborage. The lot cuts here are relatively smaller than the other clusters. It's perfect for starting families and for first home buyers. All the residents here should be excited in the future development at the Arborage. The clubhouse will have a swimming pool, a gym, a play area and a function room. This is Chopin Model House. We will have a separate video featuring this, which will help you visualize what type of home you can build here at the Arborage. Just visit our YouTube channel, and do not forget to like, subscribe and click notification bell. Thank you for watching.